Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chocolate cheesecake from scratch. First, let's prepare the perfect crust. You will need 200 grams of chocolate wafers and 60 grams of melted butter. Crush the wafers finely, then mix them with the melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, covering the bottom and slightly up the sides. Chill the crust for at least 30 minutes while we prepare the creamy filling. This simple step ensures a firm foundation for your cheesecake. Now, let's create the luscious chocolate filling. Begin by beating 700 grams of cream cheese until it is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Gradually add 200 grams of granulated sugar, mixing thoroughly. Then, incorporate 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully blended. Finally, fold in 100 grams of melted dark chocolate and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this rich, velvety mixture evenly over your chilled crust. Ready for baking. Baking your cheesecake to perfection is key. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake the cheesecake for 50 to 60 minutes. The center should be slightly wobbly when gently shaken, indicating it is done. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. This prevents cracking. Finally, refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. This crucial chilling time allows it to set properly and develop its full, rich flavor. To complete your masterpiece, consider some delicious toppings. A simple ganache adds a beautiful touch. Just melt 100 grams of chocolate with 100 milliliters of heavy cream. Once cooled slightly, pour it over your chilled cheesecake for a glossy finish. Garnish with fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or a dollop of whipped cream for extra flair. Slice the cheesecake with a warm, clean knife for perfect portions. Now, it's time to enjoy every rich, decadent bite of your homemade chocolate cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.